Hi, welcome to my class with me, Miss Vera. Right now, we are going to answer 3 questions related to algebra. Okay, let's start. Question number 1. Mike had 40 marbles. Ben had 2 n marbles more than Mike. Ken had n marbles fewer than Ben. Question A. How many marbles did Ken have? Express the answer in terms of n. B. If n is equal to 9, find the number of marbles Ken had. Okay, so here to answer question A, we need to write Mike had 40 marbles. And then Ben had 2 n marbles more than Mike. So here we write 2n plus 40 marbles. And then Ken had n marbles fewer. So Ken n marbles fewer than Ben. So here we write 2n plus 40 minus n. And we need to simplify this. 2n minus n, it's 1n, which is we write n plus 40. So here the answer for question A. Now question B, if n is equal to 9, find the number of marbles Ken had. So we don't have to look how many numbers of marbles did Ben have, but just right away we can just write Ken, because in here we know Ken had n plus 40 marbles. So we write n plus 40. N exchange to 9 plus 40 equals 49 marbles. And that's the answer for question. Okay, now we are going to answer question number 2. An isosceles triangle above formed by a length of wire. A. Express the perimeter of the triangle above in terms of A in the simplest form. B. The wire is now bent into an equilateral triangle. Express the length of each side of the equilateral triangle in terms of A. C. Given that A is equal to 7, find the length of each side of the equilateral triangle. So, first, we're going to answer question A. It says express the perimeter, and this one is an isosceles triangle. These two signs shows that this side is equal to this side, because this one is 2 centimeter, 2a centimeter, so this side will be 2a centimeter. The perimeter, it means we need to add all the length of each side of this triangle. So 2a plus 2a plus 1 plus 2a. Simplify it. 2a plus 2a plus 2a will be 6a plus 1 centimeter. So that's the perimeter in terms of A for this isosceles triangle. Now, for question B, the wire is now bent into an equilateral triangle. Express the length of each side of the equilateral triangle. So here It's bent into equilateral triangle, so we have to divide it by 3. Since equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal, so we divide it by 3. 6a plus 1 divided by 3. And remember to simplify in algebraic expression, we write 6a plus 1 over 3 centimeter. And then question C, given that A is equal to 7, find the length of each side of the equilateral triangle. So right away, we just exchange A into 7. So in here 6 times 7 plus 1 over 3. So it will be 42 plus 1 divided by 3. So it will be 43 over 3. Then it will be 1, 12, 4, 14, and 1/3 centimeter. So each side of the equilateral triangle is 14 1/3 centimeter. Okay, so the last question. The length of a rectangle is p centimeter. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 32 centimeter, A, find the breadth of the rectangle in terms of b. B, if p is 10, find the area of the rectangle. So, to answer in question A, we know that perimeter of a rectangle is two sides of the length plus two sides of the breadth. So to get two sides of the breadth, is perimeter minus two sides of the length, which is 32 centimeter minus 2 times p, which is 2p. Because this one, two sides of the breadth, so the one breadth will be 32 minus 2p divided by 2. Now here we can simplify it, become 32 divided by 2 will be 16, and negative 2p divided by 2 will be p. So one side of the breadth will be 16 minus p centimeter. Question B, if P is 10, find the area of the rectangle. Now first, we need to write length is P centimeter and P is 10, then we know length 10 centimeter. But the breadth is 16 minus P centimeter. So it means 16 minus, since P is 10, minus 10 will be 6 centimeter. And then the area of a rectangle is the length times the breadth. 10 times 6 will be 60 square centimeter. And that's the answer for B. Okay,